Okay, hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this stupid safety button at the top of us. This is a Scripto, but a big, any lighter. It's so annoying. You got to push it down, get it just right, pull the trigger. So my wife doesn't like them at all either. She has a hard time making these things work, doing two things. So I'm going to show you just how to get rid of it. It is super simple. If you got a screwdriver or you got a Leatherman, all you do, there's one little screw right here. See that little screw? That's the only thing holding this whole stuff together. So to get rid of that safety button. So let me show you here. There's a little tag here too, a little plastic tag warning says that this lighter is extremely flammable. Hello, it's a lighter. That should be obvious. They shouldn't have to tell you it's flammable. But anyway, on my Leatherman, there's a little teeny screwdriver. So you get a little screwdriver, and this screw here, you just take it out. Okay. Not a whole lot of screws on it, but that's a little tough one I'm videoing right here, kids. Okay, about got it out. You get that screw out of there. Okay, there we go. I'm videoing right here. Now, there's a little black cap right here, and this cap holds this top part together. So all I do, take my Leatherman again, and I have a little screwdriver on here. And see this cap? You just, right here, you just put it in here and just twist a little bit. Twist a little bit. Tell him I'm videoing. Twist a little bit. Look at this cap. See this cap? It just comes off. Comes off. That cap is what holds the top piece on. So all you do now, it's almost apart. You just put the screwdriver here, twist that, twist this. Look, pop. Go on the bottom. Twist, twist, and that little screw is not quite completely out. That one was a tough screw. Usually the others were so simple to get out, but this one was a little harder. So take this apart like that. Here's the safety. Just take it like this. Get the spring out, get this, and just chuck it. Then put it back together. Put it back together. Put the end cap on it. Squeeze it together. Take this, put the screw back in it. Okay, got that little screw back in it. Just push the button. Here it is, push the button. Fire. Push the button, click, fire, fire, look at that. Just push the button. No safety, no nothing, just push the button. When you want fire, boom. That's all there's to it.